Hi there, my name is Frank Falvey and I'm going to go through benefits and features of Microsoft Copilot. So all the slides that I have here now have been done with Microsoft Copilot. I didn't edit anything out of them, so it's just amazing. So I'll just go through the slides first, and after the slides I'm going to do a demo inside Microsoft Office 365 with Copilot, and it'll show you kind of demonstration of how Copilot works with Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. So like as you can see, this PowerPoint presentation I'm going through now will be is all done with Microsoft Copilot. So what is Microsoft Copilot? It is an AI powered service designed to assist users in various tasks across the Microsoft products and services. It's a suite of AI tools that can help you work smarter, create better and sell more. Copilot can be used inside in Bing and Edge, Windows, Microsoft 365 and Azure and more, right? It offers features like generating text, summarizing information, creating images from text prompts, as you'll see in the demo as we go on towards the end of this talk and presentation, and even writing code in several programming languages. It's integrated into Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and Teams, enhancing productivity and creativity. So moving on to the next slide. So automated code and generation. Copilot can generate code snippets, complete functions. Copilot saves time by reducing the need for manual coding. With its advanced algorithms and deep learning models, Copilot can generate code snippets and complete functions on the fly. This automated process saves time and effort, reducing the need for manual coding and increases productivity. You'll see in the demo now, this is just amazing, this Microsoft Copilot. So just moving on to the next slide, Realtime Suggestions. Copilot provides real-time suggestions and tips to help developers write better code. The tools learn from the user's coding style and provides customized feedback, allowing the user to improve their coding skills over time. You'll see as we go to the demo how Copilot, like these slides here, like they look amazing, and it only just took me to put in 3 or 4 words. So we'll just move on to the next slide, slide 4. So reduce errors and bugs. Copilot can identify potential errors and bugs in code, and Copilot can suggest fixes for identified errors and bugs. Copilot can identify potential errors and bugs in code, which can save developers time and effort by catching issues before they become bigger problems. Additionally, the tool can suggest fixes for identified errors and bugs, making debugging and testing more efficient. So just moving on to the next one. So Copilot can help teams collaborate more effectively by assisting with code reviews and merge requests. Its real-time suggestions and feedback. Copilot can help streamline the code review process, reducing the risk of errors and conflict. So multi-language support. So Copilot supports multi-programming languages. Copilot supports programming languages, making it a versatile tool for developers working with different code bases. Additionally, the tool can provide suggestions for unfamiliar languages, helping users learn new programming languages more quickly, which is good. So the next one, customization and personalization. Copilot can be customized to suit individuals' preferences and coding styles, allowing the user to tailor the tools to their specific needs. Additionally, Copilot can be trained to specific code bases for better performance, making it more efficient and the effective tools making an effective tool overall. Next slide there, integration with Visual Studio Code. So Copilot can be integrated with Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular programming IDEs in use today. This integration allows Copilot to work seamlessly with VS Code, Visual Studio Code, existing features, making it a natural fit for developers who already use this tool. So yeah, all those slides were actually done by Copilot, right? Ease of use. Copilot is user friendly and easy to use. Copilot can be accessed through a simple interface like a browser or on the internet. Copilot is designed to be user friendly and easy to use with a simple interface that can be accessed directly from within Visual Studio Code. This ease of use makes Copilot a valuable tool for developers of all skill levels. So improve code quality. Copilot can help developers write cleaner, more efficient code. Copilot can reduce technical debt and improve code maintainability. And by providing real-time suggestions and feedback, Copilot can help developers write cleaner, more efficient code. This can result in reduced technical and improved code maintainability, which can save time and effort in the long run. So that's the PowerPoint presentation that I made up with Copilot. So now I'm just going to pull over the other. This is my Office 365 account. So as you can see, these are all the things that are integrated in. So you got Word, PowerPoint, Excel, there's even forms there, all the different things, and Designer is actually in here as well, which is very handy for PowerPoint presentations. So over on the left hand side here you can see there's the home page. Just click on the home page there, so that's where we are, and that gives you all your different things that you were working on previously. So the next one down there, create, click on that one, so that picks up whichever one you want to create and whatever, and we'll go into them one by one as we go on. So my content, this is previously all the stuff I worked on before. Next one is your apps. These are all your Office 365 apps. Loads of them there below. So look, first one we'll jump into Word, okay? And I just have a small little Word document here. So we're just going to open this one up, and you can see over here on the right hand side I've got a little Copilot symbol. So I'm just using this text as just for a demo in so you can see as I highlight this, the Copilot comes up here on the left hand side, this little one here, Copilot. So I'm just going to click on Copilot and see what it can do for us in Word. Okay, so when you click on it, it gives us two things, right? You can visualize it as a table if you want, but I'm just going to do a rewrite. Okay, so I'm going to click on rewrite, and Copilot is working in the background there. You can see pulling things together. It's if you wanted to stop it, you could click on that. So it's actually going to it's after rewriting it here now. Okay, so it's after giving us two drafts. It's rewriting this one up here. So it's actually we've got three. Yeah, every time I ran it, it gave me three. So you can go through this. So cloud computing is another way of doing business. Access resources like Linux server. That's something like I had above here. So we go on to the next one and see it slightly changes stuff, as you can see. So you can read through this, and if this one looks better than the one above, you can go with that one. So we click on the next one. You can see it changes slightly. So if I wanted to go with this one, 1 second, now I'll just make the screen, pop it up there on the screen. Okay, so if you want to replace it, you can hit replace, or you can insert it below. So we'll just insert it below just to see what we had before. This is what we had previously, and this is what it's giving us now. So it's giving us an extensive, a bit more to it. Slightly rewrites it, so the three options you get anyway. So if I click on Copilot again, describe what you want to write. So you can type in something inside there, or click on Inspire Me. It does a few different things like that. So it's pulling things together. So for this one, okay, so you can save money by buying and maintaining your own hardware. So this is kind of telling you stuff about the cloud. You can improve security and compliance by using cloud provider. So it's kind of reading the bit of text you give and just pulling more stuff out of it. So that's just a small overview on Copilot with Word. So we're just going to jump back here again. So the next one then is Excel. So I already had an Excel file. So this one here I have. So we'll just open that one for the Excel demo. And there you go. So for Copilot to come up here, you have to have your document saved already inside in OneDrive, or else the Copilot won't actually come up here on the right hand side. So this is a data set here that I just put together for just doing stuff with Copilot. So I'm just going to highlight the table, and then I'm going to click on Copilot, and we'll see what it'll pull up here on the right hand side. So it's kind of looking at our Excel sheet and whatever. So I'm not going to make it complicated, but we can see here on the data set that not all the emails are actually filled out. So I'm just going to ask Copilot here, 1 second now, it's not highlighted now, so I'll just do this. Do you want to convert that to a table? We'll just convert it, because sometimes if the table is not a table, it might not allow you to ask a question up here. So there's a few things with it, and it's early days yet, and Microsoft likes for you to give feedback if you're using this and things are not working. So just going to get it highlight 1 second now. Highlight cells with no email. No email addresses. Okay, so we know there's some cells, so we'll see if Copilot can actually do this. So we'll just hit that one and see, okay, so show data insights. It's giving us some, so sorry you can't do that right now, try again. So it's giving us kind of some suggestions, right? So we'll just click on show data highlights, see what it's going to come up with. Okay, didn't really do much there for me. So show data insights. Okay, so it didn't really work for me there, so I'm just going to highlight a portion of it and show data insights there. Add a new sheet. Okay, so there you are. Look at the piece I highlighted there, the names and the last visit on, and it's going to give us a little chart over here. So we can just go back to the table. So yeah, so there is some fun stuff you can actually do with it. 1 second, I'll just highlight this again, and we can go up here to Copilot again. How can I highlight and filter? Okay, how can I filter? Show data insights. Okay, so that's just a kind of brief demo on that one. It didn't really work that good for me. So we'll just come back over and I go to the PowerPoint. So I'm just going to make a new PowerPoint because we already had one previously. So when you come in here to the blank one, okay, Copilot is up here on the right hand side again. So if we click on Copilot, it gives us a drop down here again, and it gives us a couple of things. If we had an existing one and we want to add slides, we could go here, but I want to create a presentation. Okay, so click on this one, create a presentation. So we're going to say, because this is about Copilot, we can say something like create a presentation on ChatGPT. And we'll see, this is my first time doing that now, so we'll just see what presentation on. Right now we'll say about. Okay, create a presentation about ChatGPT, and we'll see what it's going to give us. Okay, looking for things, pulling stuff together. Usually it will give you around 6 slides if you don't ask for how many slides you want. But we'll just wait and see. A couple of seconds. It's actually very quick making PowerPoint presentations. Okay, so here we go. ChatGPT, the future of conversational AI. Okay, so it's giving us a little movie in the first clip, which is nice. And second clip enhances customer engagement with ChatGPT. And next slide, okay, dives higher ROI with ChatGPT. Okay, so like it gives you, actually only gave me 4 slides. Cut short there. But when you're in here with this one, up next to Copilot, we should usually has designer next to it. I'm not sure why. Design, we'll go over to design. Okay, so here designer is, we just go back to home page again. So there's designer, just actually changed. So you can change how the slides look. So this one is here on the left. We could click on it, make it circular. So yeah, you could scroll down and we'll see some more examples. So we could make it go to the picture, go to the right. So you can fiddle around with the examples on it, and if you want to go back out and get some more stuff there on it. So we'll just go back over to Copilot here. And because we only got 4 slides, okay, we're just going to ask, please, can I have 2 more slides? Okay, and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to juggle these around if it's going to give us the other 2. Okay, so it gave us 2 other slides, but it was blank for some reason. So yeah, I'm just going back here to, so that was the PowerPoint. So now the other one on the list there is Outlook. So I don't actually have an Outlook for that one, but it gives us up another one anyway. So I'm just going to, because we have Copilot, I'm just going to do a new email. Okay, and I'll just send one to myself. Okay, click that one. Subject, we'll just say Copilot demo. Okay, so I'm just going to say, hi Frank, how, okay, 1 second, now we'll go down the next line. How is the Copilot demo going? Of course, get the spelling right. Copilot demo going, and when is it going to be on YouTube? Okay, so we just highlight that and we'll see Copilot now detects that we've written something. Okay, so that's actually the wrong one now. Where are we here? This one. Copilot. Draft with Copilot. Okay, so we click on that one and we'll just highlight that and hit generate. So it's going to read what I actually put in and then it's going to kind of interpret it. Okay, oh cool. So the Copilot demo is going well and we are making great progress. We are currently working on finalizing the details and putting finishing touches on the presentation. We are planning on releasing the demo on YouTube in the near future. Although we do not have an exact date at this time, we will be sure to keep you up to date on the progress and let you know when the demo is available for viewing. So that was a nice generated from the one line that I gave it. How is the Copilot demo going and when it'll be on YouTube, and then it came up with this. So that's it, guys. That's my demo on some of the benefits I suppose. It will do nice PowerPoint presentations for you. You can write nice emails for you, can summarize them, lot of other stuff. I'll be doing more with this going forward. I run a show there called the Azure and AI Show on LinkedIn every Saturday here in Ireland. So 1 second, I will just do something here just to show you. So we'll discard this one, okay, and we'll just make a new one, and we'll just do it to Frank. Subject Azure and AI show. Okay, just copy that. Hi Frank. Comma, and we go down, and I'm just going to ask it, is the Azure and the AI show on wait, when is the Azure and AI show on GAIN in Ireland? Okay, so I'm just going to highlight that again and we'll see what Copilot will give us just to finish off the demo draft with Copilot again. So I'm just going to highlight that again and generate. So yeah, okay, hi there, thanks for your email interest in the Azure and AI show. Unfortunately, I do not have information on the next show. Will be in Ireland. I recommend checking out official websites and social media for updates, and best regards, Frank. Okay, so if you don't give it some dates and somewhere wherever you feed into it, you're going to get out. So listen, thanks for joining my presentation on benefits and feature and AI. And guys, check me out on LinkedIn, YouTube, all that stuff. Frank Falvey. Thank you.